I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change the order of your banner images on your GforGov website. First, you're going to want to go to Carousel on your left sidebar in the dashboard. Select the banner you would like to change the order of. On the right sidebar, scroll down to Post Attributes. You'll notice here a box labeled Order with a number inside. Each banner is set to 0 by default. Any banner numbered as 0 will appear before any banner with a higher number. Banner images will appear in numerical order, and so if you want this image to appear first, leave it as 0 or change it to 1, and number the next image as the next number up. For instance, if this is 1 and you want this to appear first, change the next banner to 2, and then the next to 3, and so on. If you make any changes, be sure to select Update. After reordering your images, return to your home page to ensure that the images show up in the proper order.